Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to dive right into how to customize project dashboards on Asana. First up, log into your Asana account and navigate to your desired project. This is where all your task management happens, so choosing the right project is crucial. Now that we've done that, click on the Customize button at the top right corner of your dashboard. This gives you control over the appearance and functionality of your dashboard. Next up, choose the Fields option. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Fields determine what type of data is displayed on your dashboard. This helps us because it allows for a personalized overview of your project at a glance. Once you've selected your fields, drag and drop them into your desired order. The reason we do this is to prioritize the data that's most important to you. Finally, click Save Changes to implement your new layout. Let me explain why this matters. Saving ensures that your customized layout stays in place every time you access this project. Just like that, you've customized your project dashboard on Asana. Remember, a well-organized dashboard can significantly streamline your workflow and enhance your project management. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.